Hello everybody, this is Adam for RealHomeRecording.com in Reaper version 6.05, which is available for download now. You can now render to two output formats simultaneously. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really simple. You load up your mix, hit File menu, go down to Render, right? Everything else is the same as usual, except now, look at this. There's a second tab right here. So basically what you do is you set up your format that you want to render to right here. Go to secondary output / format. In this case, let's say I'll do an MP3 or an Opus file. Now your sample rate will stay the same, but instead of having to wait to do a mix down for WAV and a mix down for MP3 or Opus or what have you, you can do it at the same time, which saves time. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. This has been Adam for RealHomeRecording.com. Reaper just keeps getting better and better.